Let's talk real quick. Most guys give compliments that disappear fast. Like gone. 30 seconds later, she barely remembers what you said. But there are a few types of compliments that don't fade. They stick. They replay in her head when she's alone. Not because they're smooth, because they hit something deeper. These are not pickup lines, they're signals. Signals used by calm, grounded men who don't chase attention. They attract it. Part 1. Why most compliments actually hurt your chances. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most men compliment from need, from hunger. They say stuff like, "You're gorgeous, you're incredible, you're perfect." Sounds positive, right? Not really. Those lines are empty. They're safe. And more importantly, they put her on a pedestal. When you lift a woman up with generic praise, she might smile. But inside, something shifts. She feels you trying to earn her approval. That kills tension. It signals insecurity. A woman doesn't want worship. She wants presence. She wants to feel like your attention has weight, like not everyone gets it. Like you are centered in yourself. Quick mindset. Check. Before you compliment her, pause. Ask yourself, am I saying this because I see something real, or because I want validation back? Only one of those keeps you attractive. Part 2. First compliment. There's something intense about the way you look at people. I notice that this isn't about her face, it's about perception. You're not praising. You're observing. That changes everything. It tells her you're paying attention, not hunting for approval. You're reading her energy. Why does this work? Because it's unexpected. And because now she's wondering what you picked up on. You didn't explain it. You didn't overtalk it. You drop it, and you let silence do the rest. Curiosity grows in the quiet. Part 3. Second compliment. You're powerful. Most people don't know what to do with that. This one lands deep. Most women are taught to soften themselves, to shrink certain parts. When you acknowledge her edge without fear, something opens. You're not intimidated. You're not trying to control it. You're saying, "I see your fire, and I'm steady enough to stand near it." That flips the dynamic. Now she's not being chased. She's being met. Use this when she's playful, when she challenges you, when there's energy in the room. It turns tension into attraction. Part 4. Third compliment. You're comfortable around me. Say it calm. Say it like you already know. Most men try to prove safety. They over-explain. They reassure. A grounded man doesn't perform safety. He embodies it. This line creates closeness without asking for it. It frames you as emotionally present and stable. She feels anchored, and emotional safety is where desire deepens. You're not checking in. You're stating impact. That matters. Closing thought. Stop complimenting like you're trying to win something. That energy shows. Speak less. Say things that come from awareness, not need. The right words don't impress her. They position you. If this made sense to you, save it. Share it with a friend who talks too much and says too little at the same time. And remember, your words should feel like a reward, not a request.